Welcome back to my channel, with me, Hika, and Hika is here. Before we start drawing, I want you to meet someone special. This is my best friend, Roku. He'll be joining us from now on.
Hi, everyone. I'm Roku. I'll be learning and drawing together with all of you.
From now on, we'll be drawing together and having lots of fun. I hope you'll become good friends with Roku too.
So, what are we drawing today?
We are going to draw something from letter of K. Can you guess what are we going to draw?
Seems like something interesting and cute.
Go grab your drawing tools and ready for drawing. Let's go! First drawing, we will make a koala.
Koala? It's cool.
We make it from the head, ears, then the body. Koala like to stick to trees, so we'll draw part of tree. Make the other hand. Now, outside the frame, create a head with a slight curves, as if it were a fur. Erase the frames of head. We fix the hands and feet, then make the distinctive nose.
I think we tilted the head a little bit, okay?
Oh, great! We add some eyes and mouth.
Don't forget to add 1 or 2 leaves.
Let's coloring it from the tree and leaves first.
Add light and dark brown colors for the tree texture.
Now, color the koala. Koala is done.
It's easy.
Now we're drawing a kite.
Kite. That's one of my favorite games.
It's really easy to follow the step, right?
Absolutely. Just to make a straight line and some diagonal lines to form a kite.
We also decorate it by adding a little tail with some ribbons. Add eyes and mouth too.
now coloring it.
Kite is done too. Next, of course, letter of K.
Color it. Add a few clouds too, so it looks like they in the sky.
And it's done.
Wow, how fun it is to draw. I want to draw again later.
Of course, we can learn to draw together. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another drawing. With me, and Hika is here. Bye bye.